everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did change my YouTube name from Budget and Plan with Des to The Typical Budget. I really wasn't posting any planner related videos like I intended to be, so I changed my name. So when it comes to this budget here, we are budgeting from April the 10th through April the 24th. The total amount that we're budgeting off of is $1,611.65. As you can see, I did have a lot of money to roll over, and I had a lot of money saved from the previous paychecks as well. So let's get started. When it comes to rent, we are budgeting for $362. For AT&T, that bill went from $179 to $181.45. When it comes to Netflix, we do use the Discover credit card to pay for Netflix, so $9.84. When it comes to the electric bill, we are paying $80 even. The total bill was around $73 and some change. For the LCU payment, which is a credit card, we are paying that full amount, which is $131.55. For Walmart credit card, which is when I had put gas in my car, which is the full amount, so $39.68. For the medical payment, which the minimum payment is $10 every month, but we try to pay it every 2 weeks. So the total for the main bills is $814.52. When it comes to the cash envelopes, which instead of me going to the bank, what I'm going to end up doing is using one of my cards. Whatever amount of money is in the checking portion, I'm going to move that to savings, except for the amount for $295, which is the total of my cash envelopes. And then every time I use money, I'll write everything down on a sheet of paper for each category. So when it comes to groceries, we are budgeting $190. Of course, we've already spent $43, so we have $147 left. For miscellaneous, we are budgeting for $50. For gas, instead of budgeting for $40, we are only budgeting for $25. Of course, I really haven't been anywhere except for the grocery store, Walgreens, places like that. For the laundry, we actually washed all the clothes last week, but we are still budgeting for $10. Now, when it comes to personal, that's the money that I can use for whatever I need or want. So $20. And that total amount again is $295. When it comes to debt, sinking funds, and savings, for vacation, we are budgeting for $30. And this is the last time that I will be budgeting for vacation. So the next time I get paid, nothing will get auto deposited into the vacation account. For car maintenance, which I will continue, we're going to save $30. For gifts, I may continue this as well for $20. For health savings, I really wasn't sure if I wanted to save anything for health, which would be for medicine only, but I did decide to save $100. For emergency only, of course, we would always continue to put money there, which is $100. And the car payment, which I do break my car payment of $220 down to bi-weekly payments of $110 or more, but this time we're just paying the minimum, which is $110. So the total amount for debt sinking and saving is $390. The total budget for the first paycheck for April is $1,499.52. And if you subtract that from the amount that we have to budget, which is $1,611.66, we should have $112.14 left. Hopefully we'll be able to stay under budget like we have been for March and the past few months. So hopefully everything would stay under budget and we would just continue to roll that extra amount over or throw it into savings. That way we would have money just saved up, and when all of this is over, we'll just put all of that towards the car payment. Hopefully when this is over, we'll be able to pay the car off and we'll be officially debt free completely. Let me know in the comments if you are not budgeting for some things that you have been budgeting for before, such as vacation, gifts, fun money. Are you still budgeting for those, or have you completely stopped? Also, let me know if you're working at home. I'm currently working at home, and of course I don't have a desk, so I'm using my table that nobody sits at the moment. I do hope you all have a great rest of your day. Don't let this COVID-19 stress you out. I see a lot of people on Facebook worried to death over this stimulus check and who's going to get it, who's not going to get it, when are they going to receive their payments, where is the money going to go. Hopefully this doesn't stress you out. Don't let it. It's definitely not worth it. Things like this can give you headaches, make you depressed, and much more. So hopefully you don't let this get to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that like button. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on. That way you would receive a notification every time I upload a new video.